Welcome to Student Optimized Services, the teacher perspective. When teachers log on to their system, they're going to come up with this particular screen with many different options. One of the first options that I'd like to show you is assigning students. This is when teachers want to assign students to their workshops. They will click on that. They will click on a day over here. On this drop down, they will see their classes. So if I select on a particular class, I can then see all of my students in that class. You will notice in this particular class that you will see what every student has selected for that particular day or what teachers have selected them. When you see the closed priority, that means a teacher has selected them. When you see an open priority, that means a student has made the selection themselves. So if I wanted to select and put a student into my workshop, I could also put notes that, let's say we are doing a test makeup. And then I can come over here and click on students that I would want in my particular workshop. And so with this, I select two students and I click assign students, and you will see that now their selection is closed because now I have, as a teacher, made the selection, and both of those students would be required to come see me. So that is very important. You can also see that the notes that I put in there are their test makeup, so they know what they're going to be doing when they come to that workshop. The next thing that you will be able to see is to be able to take attendance. And so every period that we have our flex, we want to take our attendance. So on the 13th, I have these students that are in my particular workshop. And if they're all the boxes are clicked, that means they are there. If I click on a box, that means they are not there. And then I can click save attendance. And when I do that, it'll come up that the attendance is saved. The other thing that is very good is assigning goal students. And so what teachers can do is they can set up a list of students that would be considered their goal. And when they have their goal, they will see a list of their goal students. This is a teacher created list. And so these are students that may be having difficulties in their class. So an easy way to get them assigned is create a list of goal students. And then I can go through and I can click on and see. Now you'll see that there are closed options or administrative options. If I was to try and assign a student that is an administrative option, it will not let me do that because I cannot override an administrative choice. Teachers also have priority days, and so it is possible that somebody may have a closed workshop. For example, this student is in a closed workshop with a teacher, and if I assign to that, then I overrode that teacher because I have a priority over that teacher on that particular day, and those priority days are set up within the system. So those are the three key areas. We can also look at where we can find students or see a workshop history that students have by pulling this up, and we can see what they've been doing up until this particular day, which is great to have for conversations with parents when you're having a struggling student that does not seek your help. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, and it's a way for teachers to have autonomy and create workshops that are available each and every day that could be different each and every day for students.